friends, welcome to Navneet Spice Magic. Special dishes always get a flavorful blast in our palate. One such dish is cauliflower tikka masala or gobi tikka masala. In one recipe, we can treat two varieties, one as a starter or a snack and one as a gravy. The gravy which can pair well with roti, chapati, naan or even jeera rice. So let's see the process for two varieties. First, we need to marinate the cauliflowers. So I have cut them into pieces and washed them and kept ready. I have drained out all the water from that. You need thick curd, 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of gram flour, few onions. If you have capsicum also you can take along with this because it is a tikki masala, so you need onions and some other veggies like capsicum you can use into that. You need oil, little turmeric powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, ginger garlic paste, salt to taste, Kashmiri chili powder. I have taken Kashmiri chili powder for the color. If you are doing it for only dry item, then add a little bit of normal chili powder, and if you are doing it gravy for a curry, then anyhow in the curry we'll be adding little chili powder, so that will balance. Take a bowl, we'll add curd, gram flour, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala powder. First we will mix this properly, adding oil into this. Around 2 teaspoons oil I am adding into this. Now we'll mix this properly. Now we'll add cauliflower into this. And onions. Mix this properly. It has to coat for everything properly. Now this is done. We will keep it aside for around 15 to 20 minutes. Now we will heat a pan, add little oil and fry those marinated cauliflower pieces to make them tikkas. Now we'll place these one by one and fry them all sides till they become golden brown and crispy. Now this is done, so we can transfer this into a plate. So these are our dry version of cauliflower tikka. You can serve it as a starter like this itself. After this stage, if you add this to the gravy, then it becomes cauliflower tikka masala, which can be served with rotis or jeera rice or parathas. You can serve them with that. So I will be showing you that version as well. So this is one version and that will be the second version. So for the gravy, we require kasuri methi a little bit. If you have, it's okay. Otherwise, it's just optional. Coriander chopped. Tomato puree. I've grinded 2 small tomatoes. Kaju paste. I have grinded few kajus in a blender and made it paste. Very finely chopped onions. I have taken 1 big onion. Little turmeric powder. Chili powder according to your spice. Ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon. Salt to taste. Garam masala powder. So let's prepare the gravy. First we'll add little butter. If you don't want butter, you can make it with oil as well. It tastes good when you make it with butter. Now that the butter is melted, we'll add onions. We'll fry them a little bit. Fry this until it becomes little translucent. Now we shall add ginger garlic paste and saute till it loses its rawness. Now we'll add tomato puree. Because the tomatoes were raw, so we need to fry them properly till they get cooked and lose its rawness. Now that the tomato is cooked a little bit, we'll add turmeric powder. Now we'll add kaju paste. We need to fry this for another 5 to 6 minutes. Now we'll add chili powder, salt, mix it properly and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. Now this is thick, so we will add little water to get it to gravy consistency. You can add water as much you like. If you want thick gravy, add little less water. If you want thin gravy, add little more water. Now we will allow this to cook for some time. Now we'll add kasuri methi. We have to just, in between the palms, we have to rub. Now we'll add little garam masala powder, little coriander, mix it now properly. Now we'll add this cauliflower tikkas. So now this is done, we can transfer it into a bowl. Here are our cauliflower tikka masala, one as a starter or snack and one as a gravy. Have their own flavors in them. Both, when savored in different forms, make us feel as if we are tasting two different varieties. This is the magic when we add few ingredients and convert its form. I hope you like my video, and if you do so, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.